Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're opening this.
It is soap from Big
Wait.
Bird.
Big Bird soap.
Big Bird soap. Big Bird soap. And it is also the gentleman who is responsible for Tailored Beard Company beard oils, which I have a few of, and we will be doing a little review for that at some point in the future, probably. Oh man, here we go. How long do we wait before we help her open it?
Got it.
You're welcome.
No, I did it all by myself.
So the first one is orange and patchouli. And
It's
let's see what we
a
got here. What does that one say? That one says black cherry. So
Ooh.
which one are we doing first?
Black cherry.
Okay, we'll do the black cherry first, she says.
Once I get it out. You guys can do the... You guys can do
Hold on, I will help you get it out.
So this is the black cherry. When I saw it on his phone, it looks more green.
Look more green. Look, it's got poppy seed in it and got some little red specks.
Ooh,
Oh, that's very cherry.
I want it.
So their recipe includes coconut, olive, castor, and emu oil. Yeah, fresh squeezed emu. And then shea butter, black cherry fragrance oil, poppy seeds, and kaolin clay. Oh, it smells really good. Okay,
I washed myself.
on to the next one. Stop. Next one is orange and patchouli. Let's see if I can get it out.
I know how to get it out now.
Okay.
So we got an orange and a freeze-dried orange in
I
the
don't know if
middle.
it's freeze dried, but it is dried.
Yeah,
You're gonna smell it?
it smells definitely like orange on the top,
Orange on top.
and then more orange on the bottom.
Oh yeah. I really smell the patchouli in there too. Those two go together well.
I want to take off the skin on that orange.
No, don't break it.
I want to eat the orange.
You can't eat the orange.
Why?
It's made into soap. You cannot eat this orange. This one is the same basic recipe, the same oils and butters, but with pumice instead of poppy seeds. And then this one has orange and patchouli essential oils instead of fragrance oils, and then orange mica for coloring.
If you didn't see the red, it's right. It's where it's like orange on the screen, but
Yeah.
it's red.
And then here is this one,
Kind of
very
red.
orange. Looks a little better in person than it does on the screen there, hopefully. So, yeah, we'll give these a try as well. Now you did it. Can you stop smelling it? You're not going to stop smelling it, are you? Okay. Are you done being weird? Never. Okay.
Bye,
And-
guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.